Hello everybody, today I'll be showing you how to make your own Discord bot for free in 2020. This is free of charge and you do not need any advanced coding skills whatsoever. The first thing you want to do is open up Google Chrome and go to the link in the description, the first one, to download Visual Studio Code. You want to click on the Windows, Mac or Linux, whichever operating system you're on, and you want to install Visual Studio Code. So I've already installed it, but you can install it first, and once you're done you can come back to this video. Once you've installed Visual Studio Code, you have to go to the second link, which is node.js.org, and you have to install this Windows installer here. You have to wait for it to download. So now you open it and you just click next, accept the terms and agreements, just click next, 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 and install. So once it's finished installing, so now that it's installed, you want to open up command prompt and go to your desktop. So you have to type in cd desktop, and ideally you want to make a new folder here. So I'm gonna make a new one named Discord bot. Then you want to press cd again and the name of the folder. So right here is Discord bot. Once you're here, you want to type in npm in it. And now I'm gonna name my package tutorial. Enter, 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 and press yes and enter. So now that it's done, you can open up this and you'll see package.json. Now you want to, in the same folder, you want to type in npm. Oh no, sorry, it's node install discord.js. Where's this? Hold on. Is it npm install discord.js? Yep, it's npm install discord.js. So now that it's done, you can see all this here. You can close it up and open up Visual Studio Code. Now that you have opened it up, you want to open folder and go to your desktop and navigate to Discord bot. Once you're in here, you want to create a new file by clicking this button and name it index.js. Oh, I typed it wrong here, but it's index.js. I actually can't type today. Hold on. Index.js. There you go. Okay. Now that you have created this file, you want to start coding now. So the first thing you want to type in is const discord equals to require. You have to put quotation marks discord.js. So you're basically initializing a variable to refer to this discord.js. Now we type in const bot equals to new discord.client bracket, put a semicolon after it. Semicolons are very important to end off the line. Then you want to type in const curly braces, rich, embed. Outside the curly braces, you write equals require discord.js. This is future editing Tutorique, and I have made a mistake here. You actually do not need this line. This line is redundant here. Alright, now back to the video. So now that you're done with this, we can turn on the bot. So dot, you want to write bot.on, brackets, ready, comma, brackets. Outside the brackets, you want to put in equals, and then a greater than sign, curly brace, console dot log. This bot is online. So now you have to put a semicolon after it to end it off the line, and semicolon at the very end. So now this is the basic code to get your bot up and running. But first, you need to create the Discord bot. So go into Google Chrome, and then you want to go into this Discord developer portal. I'll put the link in the description below. You want to click on new application here. Name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it tutorial. From here, you want to go into this bot place and add bot. Yes, do it. And you have created your bot. Now you want to invite the bot to your server. So you have to search up Discord permissions calculator and go into this permission calculator. You want to put in all the permissions. And it's going to ask for client ID here. So you have to go back to the developer portal and you copy this client ID. Paste it, and there's the link here. So now I'm going to sign in to my other account. And invite it to my server. Let's see if I'm not a robot here. Yeah, I'm not a robot. Okay. So now it has joined my server here. As you can see, tutorial bot, but it's offline. So to bring it online, you have to go back to Visual Studio Code, click on this button here, and you'll open up the terminal. Once it has opened up the terminal, you can type in node space dot. Now, is the bot not up? Hold on. Oh yeah, I forgot. You have to put in the token. I completely forgot. Okay. So you have to put in at the end bot the login brackets quotation marks and go back to your Discord developer portal bot and copy the token here. Paste it. There you go. You have now if we type in node space dot again, you can see that the bot is online. We go to Discord. Yes, the bot is online. So I'll show you a way to make it such that you can reply to a simple command. So you want to make a prefix first. So const prefix equals to quotation marks. And you can put in whatever symbol you want. I'm going to put in exclamation mark. So once you've done it, put some white space in, and you want to go back to this bot.on message. Ideally, you want to put this up before that, so const prefix. Then you'll create another bot.on, quotation marks message, comma message. Wait, sorry. Message is equals to the symbol, curly braces. Now you want to type in let args equals to message dot content dot substring bracket prefix dot length outside bracket dot split brackets quotation marks and a space. After that, you want to put in a semicolon and go to the next line. So now, if brackets exclamation mark message dot content dot start with prefix, you want to return. Now you want to create a switch bracket, and then you want to put exclamation, no, not exclamation mark, arcs, square bracket, 0. This is important, it has to be 0. Then you can put a curly brace, case, quotation marks. I'm gonna put in hello. And then you want to put in a colon and put in your reply message channel. What the hell? Okay. Dot send. Hello there. And then you have to, this is important, break. Now, if we reload the bot, save and reload, node dot, and we go back to our server here and type in hello, it'll reply with hello there. So this is the simple way to make a Discord bot, and